Hey everyone, Jules Wilson with Seven Gables Real Estate. Now, I've said this before, but as a realtor, I want to help people with real estate, obviously, but I also want to help them to live their best lives and feel their best. And for me, that starts with how I look, at least the best I can do, right?
Yes.
Well, thank God today I have Brittany Drake. Now, Brittany is a very high-profile celebrity and makeup artist, so I can't even believe I got you here first up, Brittany. So I'm so excited. Yeah. But Brittany, one thing I love about you is you focus on high-level clients, but one thing you said to me earlier, Jules, we're really all high-level. I was like, okay, I like you more than I did before. I'm just joking. So tell us what's an example of, what's an example when you say high-level or high-profile clients?
When I say high-profile clients, it's just clients looking for more of a concierge house call experience.
Oh, I love that.
Where
Okay.
I can go to their home in the comfort of their home and make them feel their best.
Yeah, and you'll go out and do in their home hair, extensions, makeup, the whole thing.
Yes.
I love, okay. So just because I'm curious, can you share with us any of your high-profile clients that you are working with?
Yeah, one of my dear to my heart clients that I work with all the time is Mindy Weiss. She's one of the biggest party planners in the world. She works with the Kardashians, Selena Gomez, like
Wow.
J-Lo, everyone.
Well, I remember talking earlier. Didn't she just do Selena Gomez's wedding?
Yes.
That is, you do her makeup?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I will call that high profile.
Yeah. I do a lot of her brides as well, so that's very.
How fun. Yeah. How fun.
Yeah.
Someone else. Tell us some other families.
I do Penske family, the founder of Hard Rock Café, founder of MGM.
Wow. So you really have, well, so what's good about this? If you can keep clients like that happy, and I'm just generalizing, I don't know these people at all, you can probably keep anyone happy, right?
Yes.
And a lot of these people, I know all your business pretty much is referral based, right, Brittany? Okay, so why are you here? I honestly really want to bring Brittany in today to let you know that she is, you're a really, I'm going to call it a badass businesswoman, you really are, but she's also very approachable. And you offer services in LA, but now also Orange County. Yeah. You're working down here living down here about 6 months ago, right? Okay, so this is a new girl in town that we didn't have before. So for all of you, that whether it's a gala or a wedding or a big event, or really just maybe you want to look extra special because you're going out with your husband for dinner or with the girls. Let's face it, we all dress for each other anyway.
Totally. Oh my gosh, right? Yes.
She can give you that concierge service, but also here's the deal. Sometimes, I'm a full-time realtor. That can be fun, but it can be very high and low and stressful, right? Because we care about our clients. So I figure if I feel my best, if I feel like I look my best, Brittany, then I can really do a better job as a realtor. I really can.
Every area of your life.
Every area of your life, right? Be a better mother, a better wife, a better friend, whatever. So sometimes I'd like you to just come over just to give me that hour or 2 hours of doing the magic that I can't do on my own.
Right.
So the fact that Brittany's offering this concierge service, I don't really know anybody who does that in town, particularly. Maybe not as, and once again, I think the key here is your experience. So give people a little information on, because everybody wants to know, oh, wow, she has clients like the Penskes and Mindy. And how did you get started, Brittany? How did you get from there to here? Because we're all business people. What did you do?
I started working at a salon in Beverly Hills, and I was also working at a little makeup and blowout spot in Brentwood.
Okay.
And I basically was sick of having a boss, and I knew that I wanted more. I just didn't know how. So I just took a leap of faith and,
Did you take a couple of high-profile clients with you?
Yeah. 2 clients, a celebrity pediatrician is one of them that she followed me, and she referred me out, and she was such a blessing. So,
wow. Yeah. Okay, so here's the thing. Once again, as a businesswoman, you had to take a risk. You took a risk, but you know what? If you do the right thing, referral is the name of the game, right? So how long ago have you been in this line of work?
I think I went out on my own like 11 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So listen, I searched the land for everything good because as a realtor, people want to know, where do you go to the doctor? Where do you go shopping?
Right.
Where do you buy your tires? Where do you get your cutest pickleball outfit? Whatever, right? And so having someone like you, I'm just going to say she's on my team now. I'm just going to call it like it is. Yeah, Brittany Drake is, we're going to endorse you as our high profile yet down to earth hair, makeup, and extension artist, right? Yeah. So how do people get a hold of you?
Well, you can start by my Instagram, take some look at my work, and it's Britt Beauty with 2 Y's and an underscore. Or you can just text me.
And your number is?
805-598-5045.
Well, once again, we have a new solution here in town, Brittany Drake. She can come out to your home, or you also do big events too, though, right? Like weddings or
Oh, yeah.
bar mitzvahs or whatever it might
Weddings,
be.
bar mitzvahs, vow renewals. Yeah. Yeah.
Vow renewals, I love that too. Okay,
Yeah.
you've got to reach out to Brittany. She's beautiful inside and out. She's down to earth, yet she is everything I can think about when it comes to beauty. So thank you
Gosh,
so much,
thank
Brittany.
you. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.